Hi, I'm Christy Davis-Sumter from Zest Consultancy. I wanted to talk to you today about sales training. Why? Because sales training is designed to help sales professionals or business owners like yourself achieve your sales goals for both yourself and your company. It helps develop sales skills and techniques needed when you want to approach cold leads, create new sales opportunities, take people through those sales stages right through to closing the deal, and let's not forget building rapport. So whether you've just started out on your sales career or you're a seasoned pro who's been in the game for years, the skills and techniques that you carry are the keys to your success. So there's always room for improvement. Learning the theory behind effective sales skills is a science, but mastering or refining these skills is an art. So investing in your sales skills is essential to your sales success and your company's growth. We believe learning should be fun at Zest. There is ample anecdotal evidence that shows listening to a fun trainer is great for learning. It's intuitive. Having fun and interactive learning sessions does improve learning on the whole and gives a positive attitude towards the approach. That's why we make our training sessions as fun and as interactive so that you're engaged from start to finish. And let's not forget, it's a safe environment to ask questions and practice in. So here's what you will learn from our sessions. You're going to know where you sit in a competitive landscape and how to sell your USPs. You're going to understand the importance of those soft skills and how offering a great customer experience can play a big part in building relationships and winning new business. You're going to understand what questions to ask to get the best outcomes, learn how to extract from your clients what they want so you can match your product or your service. Learn how to understand your prospects' buying criteria and learn those techniques to close a sale. So if you're ready to start your sales journey, click on the link below to book a place on our next sales training day. Looking forward to seeing you very soon on one of our programs. Thank you.